Hey man, SOS, I'm stuck. I need a hand with this. You might be able to figure it out. So I have this sample file and it does everything I want, but the problem is I can't figure out how to generate a private or a public key object from my public key file, as I mentioned. So anyway, let me show you real quick. So this, if I run this, it's an example, I found online, and it does what you want. So it generates keys, and then and then it creates a JWT, Java web, web token, and it signs it and then verifies it. So anyway, I'll just show you real quick. So this generates the keys, and it sticks them in a map, and then this is the public key from the map. And then what it does is it generates the token, and none of that we really actually, I mean, it's great that it works, and it's a nice example, but the only code I really need to use is in here, verify token, which gets out the data and verifies the signature. But the problem is this public key object that it expects, when I try various ways to create that from my RSA public key, it doesn't like it. So, I mean, I've tried a zillion different things. Yeah. So anyway, if you, oh, and I created a gist. I'll send you that along with this video, so you have the code. Yeah, there's different ways to create this. I mean, I could show you some of the things I've tried, but I don't feel like anything's getting particularly close. I don't quite know what the problem is. I think I just don't understand what the format is supposed to be. There's different, like Bouncy Castle is one way to sort of, I guess, parse the file, but it has to be, I mean, there's some guidance that says it has to be like base 64 encoded, and it's hard to tell. Hard to tell. It seems like it should be an easy thing, but other people comment, like they'll find some answer that worked for them, and then they'll say thanks because I banged my head for like 2 weeks on this. But when I've tried those solutions, I haven't quite gotten them to work. Anyway, thanks.